What's up everyone? Today I'm out here at our second station. I'm here with Evan and we're gonna be washing this truck right here. It's pretty filthy, as you can see. This thing has been washed in months. Got mud kicked all over the tires. It hasn't been washed in a couple of months and we're gonna wash it to make it all pretty today. I figured while we're down here, I'll also show you what we have here. We also have another engine down here. This is our oldest truck that we have. Keep this down here in our variable station. An oldie but a goodie. To explain a little bit about this truck, it's our mini pumper, but we also use it as our brush truck, so it has a whole bunch of brush equipment. We can use it to also get draft sites to fill trucks for water and stuff like that. That's what we use this for. All the trucks that we've had down here. There's 14 and 51, the two trucks that are here now. Old 12, our old brush truck, one of our other engines. Alright, that's going to conclude today's videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more like this. It's going to be back in the truck up here. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.